Janitva IVF Center has tied with an advanced laparoscopy center from Maharashtra for advanced gynecology surgeries. They specialize in operating chocolate cysts, fibroids, adenomyosis, bilateral tubal block, hysterectomy and ovarian cysts. Join their workshop on June 23rd to 25th for expert guidance and minimal cost and hospital stay. Contact Janitva IVF Center for registration at Universal Metro Walk, Betkusi, Guwahati. Contact numbers 99547 00457, 88110 53000 and 88110 52000.
Halor kani ke jimi khubor ba Bah HM Shangpliang ubalong no yalam ke BJP unlet penyaso no bat ke NPP nakaliang uba Ernest Mauri ulong ba ulayo ya kani tang hakilat pathai khubor ndai hadu menta umpat yo ikinu kinu ki jimpen tep ki batekna na ka mausan ram mandal ne na Bah HM Shangpliang habakali haro ke jing bomwan Bah HM Shangpliang se ke jing yalang jong ke BJP uba Mauri ulong ba Bah HM Shangpliang ulapen pau ba udang bon kam hak ba pendep ikikam kijam ki balapen khamti da sorkar. Unong yalam ke BJP ulong baka seng kamla ban ai show cause notice hendrai kan hab ban up ya ke jing ai mut jong ke Disciplinary Action Committee namar ya ke neka kam la dep ban Aiti ha ke neka committee bakan le ya ke badan kam kumta hab ban up shwa ya ke ke ba ai mut da ke committee.
Yeah, from the party side, we have seen the press note given by some of his supporters from Mausunram Mandal, given the statement that Bah Shangpliang will leave the BJP and join the NPP in pretext that he will contest the election from the NPP. That we have seen in the section of the press only, but till today there are no official communication from the Mandal, from the president of the Mausunram Mandal, either from the Bah Shangpliang, the former candidate of the official candidate of the BJP last election. So we don't have anything to say on that because it is only on the press statement. We have nominated him as a spokesperson of the party, and right now we don't have any program in the party. Last in a few occasions where we have the national program, and some of the union ministers has come to inaugurate some program. We invite him, and he has given a reply that he is not free due to busy schedule in his work. Like now he's entrusted as advisor to the CM and he's looking after the education department. This matter has been discussed because in the party we are having the Disciplinary Action Committee. So we have already informed the committee. The committee will decide whether we will call him and discuss with him. And we cannot just issue the issue cause notice without the advice from the Disciplinary Action Committee.